A laundry pedestal can provide extra height and storage space for your washer, dryer, or laundry combo unit. In this video, we will demonstrate how to properly and securely install one. You will need the included hardware kit, as well as the wrench that came with your appliance, a level, and a Phillips and flat screwdriver. Check the included hardware kit for all of the parts listed in the pedestal installation manual. This kit includes brackets, screws, bracket covers for the front left and right feet, and a supply of double-sided tape. First, place the pedestal in the location where the laundry will be used. Level the pedestal using the wrench that was included with your appliance to turn the feet for a close fit. When installing on smooth surfaces such as tile, peel and install the included double-sided tape under each pedestal leg. Adjust the feet of the laundry appliance as close to its body as they will go, and lock them into place. Use shoulder straps to lift the appliance. Avoid tilting the appliance more than 45 degrees. Align the feet of the laundry unit to the pedestal slots. All 4 feet should be properly inserted in the landing grooves. Open the drawer to access the front legs. Secure each leg using a bracket. Please avoid using a power drill to secure the screws. On the front legs, you will also install bracket covers. Please note that the left and right covers are marked FL and FR respectively. First, secure only the screws in the outer holes of the bracket. Then, secure the middle screw through the appropriate bracket and cover. On the rear legs, secure all 3 screws tightly. Remove any shipping bolts if they are still installed. Finally, you can move the assembled units into place. Check the level of the unit and make any necessary adjustments. You can now run a spin cycle to test for vibration. Wet a small load and run a spin-only cycle. Once you are sure that the pedestal legs are stable and do not vibrate, lock them into position using a flathead screwdriver.